Imagine if you had invested just 100 in Bitcoin in 2011. Today, that $100 would be worth millions. The crypto world is full of opportunities, but how do you find the next big coin? With thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, which ones are actually worth watching? Some cryptos are changing industries, some have massive potential for growth, and some might disappear in a year. Today we'll break down the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025 and beyond in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. Before we talk about specific coins, let's first understand what makes a cryptocurrency valuable. Technology. Does it solve real problems? Adoption. Are people and businesses using it? Market cap and growth. Is it stable or just hype? Future potential. Will it survive the next 5-10 years? With these in mind, let's explore the top cryptocurrencies to watch right now. First on our list, Bitcoin. The first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Market cap over $1.7 trillion, used by governments, businesses, and investors worldwide. Why watch Bitcoin? Many believe Bitcoin is digital gold, a safe store of value. Some countries like America are making Bitcoin legal tender. Institutional investors are buying more Bitcoin every year. Even if Bitcoin doesn't give 100x returns, it remains the backbone of the crypto world. Next, we have Ethereum, the world's second largest crypto. Created the concept of smart contracts. Self-executing agreements. Powers thousands of decentralized apps. dApps. Home to NFTs, DeFi, and Web3 projects. Why watch Ethereum? Ethereum 2.0 is faster, cheaper, and more eco-friendly. Major companies are building on Ethereum. It's still the #1 blockchain for developers. Ethereum isn't just a currency, it's a foundation for the future of the internet. If Ethereum is the king of smart contracts, Solana is the fastest rising challenger. Super fast transactions, 65,000 per second. Low fees compared to Ethereum, used by gaming, DeFi, and NFT projects. Why watch Salana? Many developers are moving from Ethereum to Solana. It's backed by big investors like FTX and Coinbase. Some believe Solana could be the future of high-speed blockchains. XRP, created by Ripple, is focused on revolutionizing banking, used by banks for fast, low-cost international payments. Not just hype, has real-world use cases. Partnered with hundreds of financial institutions. Why watch XRP? If banks continue adopting XRP, it could become the global payment standard. It has survived regulatory challenges and is still growing. If crypto and banking merge, XRP will be at the center of it. There are thousands of cryptos, but these stand out because they solve real problems. Bitcoin, the safest long-term bet. Ethereum, the king of smart contracts. Solana, the fastest blockchain. XRP, the future of banking. Now you might be wondering, which one should you invest in? Before you invest, always do your research. Look at the technology, check real-world adoption, study the market trends, and most importantly, invest wisely and never fall for hype. I have a question for you. Which crypto do you think has the most potential? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more crypto content. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you in the next one.